Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Today we're making an NAgroni. That's right, NA stands for non-alcoholic. So it's a non-alcoholic Negroni. And here's the recipe. And we're getting this from liquor.com. It's 1 ounce ritual gin alternative. There's a lot of great gin non-alcoholic alternatives on the market. This one, you can really get the juniper berries in it. It tastes wonderful, even though it's non-alcoholic. And 1 1/2 ounce of Lyre's Apertif Rosso, and 1 1/2 ounce of Ghia Apertif, and then garnish with an orange peel. And that, my friends, is a non-alcoholic Negroni. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar. It's pretty good, Mookie. What? No, I'm not getting drunk today. It's non-alcoholic. Mookie.